Ever found yourself holding onto one cryptocurrency, wishing you could easily trade it for another without the hassle of complex exchanges or worrying about security? What if you could manage all your digital assets, including swapping between them, right within the secure environment of your hardware wallet? For those unfamiliar, hardware wallets like the ELLIPAL Titan series are designed to provide a high level of security for your cryptocurrency holdings. They keep your private keys offline, protecting them from online threats. Traditionally, interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, or performing swaps often required connecting your hardware wallet to a computer and using third-party platforms. This introduced a layer of complexity and potential risk. But the landscape is constantly evolving, and the question on many users' minds is, can you directly swap coins on an ELLIPAL device? The answer, thankfully, is yes, with certain caveats and through specific integrations. ELLIPAL has been actively working to enhance its functionality, and one significant step has been the integration of in-app exchange features. This allows users to seamlessly swap between various cryptocurrencies directly within the ELLIPAL mobile app, which then interacts securely with your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. This integration simplifies the process significantly. Instead of needing to transfer funds to an exchange, conduct the swap, and then transfer them back to your hardware wallet, you can now initiate and authorize the swap directly from your ELLIPAL ecosystem. This not only saves time but also reduces the potential exposure of your assets to external platforms. However, it's crucial to understand the specifics. The availability of swap pairs and the underlying technology facilitating these swaps are subject to change and depend on ELLIPAL's partnerships and integrations. Typically, these in-app swaps are powered by decentralized exchange (DEX) aggregators or centralized exchange (CEX) integrations that prioritize security and user experience. When considering using the swap feature on your ELLIPAL, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Firstly, always ensure your ELLIPAL app and device firmware are updated to the latest versions to access the most recent features and security enhancements. Secondly, be mindful of the exchange rates and any associated fees. While the convenience of in-app swapping is significant, it's always wise to compare rates with other platforms to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Furthermore, pay close attention to the cryptocurrencies supported for swapping within the ELLIPAL app. The list of available pairs will likely grow over time, but initially, it might focus on the most popular and widely used assets. The ability to swap coins directly on your ELLIPAL represents a significant step forward in user convenience and security within the cryptocurrency hardware wallet space. It streamlines the process of managing and trading your digital assets, keeping them within the secure confines of your hardware wallet for a larger portion of the transaction lifecycle. This reduces the need to interact with potentially risky external platforms and simplifies the overall user experience. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to mature, we can expect to see even more integrated features within hardware wallets like ELLIPAL, further bridging the gap between security and usability. The ability to seamlessly swap coins is just one example of this evolution, empowering users with greater control and convenience over their digital assets. So, to definitively answer the initial question, yes, you can swap coins on ELLIPAL through its integrated exchange features within the mobile application, which securely interacts with your hardware wallet. This offers a more streamlined and secure way to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.